A very good morning to all my dear students. So we were doing the fractions. So as an online class, we have already studied what are proper fractions, what are improper fractions, and what are mixed fractions. So I'll just repeat it quickly. Okay. So a fraction in which the numerator, in a fraction two parts are there. The upper one is called numerator, and the number which is in the this down, it is called denominator. So a fraction in which numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger is called a proper fraction. Examples are there in front of you: 2 by 5, 3 by 7, 12 by 21. Okay, then comes improper fraction. So improper fraction is opposite of proper fraction. So a fraction in which numerator is bigger than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Examples you can see are 5 by 3, 12 by 11, 21 by 7. So here you can see that the denominator is smaller and the numerator is bigger in all the three cases. So such fractions are called improper fractions. Now improper fractions can be converted into mixed fractions. Okay, you can convert them in mixed fractions. So what is a mixed fraction? Basically, a mixed fraction is a fraction having a combination of a whole number and a part. Okay, for example, you can see here 2 is a whole number and 1 by 3 is a part. So 2 and 1 by 3, 4 and 3 by 5, 7 and 1 by 5. So these kind of fractions are called mixed fractions. Now we are going to start exercise 7.2, in which we will study how to convert improper into mixed and mixed into improper. Now the first question of exercise 7.2 is you have to locate the points on a number line. Okay, you have to locate all these points on a single number line. So you have to make a straight line and you have to mark the arrows. It represents that this line can be extended on both sides. Now you have to locate these points. Okay, so you can see it is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. So you can see in the denominator what is given, 4. That means you have to divide 0 to 1, this distance, into 4 equal parts. So you will use the scale. Okay, just for understanding, I have written over here -1. This is 0, this is 1 and this is 2. Now basically we are dividing this distance 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the first part will be 1 by 4, second part will be 2 by 4, third part will be 3 by 4 and the fourth part is actually 4 by 4 and 4 by 4 gives you 1 क्योंकि 4 और 4 क्या हो जाते हैं, cancel. Similarly, you have represented 1 by 4, you have represented 3 by 4, you have represented 4 by 4. Now what about 2? You know 0 to 1. इसको अगर आप दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे then the middle point, this point will become 1 by 2. Okay, one method is this of understanding. Second method is, since this is 2 by 4, it is 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So this will become 1 by 2. So we have represented all the points on a single number line. So the remaining two sums are your homework. You have to do those by your own. Now we'll see how to express the mixed fraction. How to express in mixed fraction. One improper fraction is given to you. You can see the numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. So what kind of fraction is this? Improper. So I explained you how to do it, how to convert it in mixed fraction in the online class. So what you have to do, you have to divide the numerator by denominator. So 20 divided by 3. Okay, then 3 6 are 18 and the remainder is 2. So you will first write all the things. Quotient here is 6, divisor is 3 and remainder is 2. Okay, so remainder is 2. So all three things you have got, and now you know how to write. Whenever you are writing an improper fraction into mixed fraction, quotient will come as a whole part. So 6 will come. Divisor will come in the denominator. That is fixed. Okay, divisor will always come in the denominator, and whatever is the remainder, that will come in the numerator. So 2. So the fraction will become 6 and 2 by 3. Okay, so this way you have to solve the sums. So few more I have done for you. This is 28 by 5. You have to divide 28 by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3. So you have to write quotient, remainder and divisor. I have written directly. You write all the three things. Okay. Quotient will come as a whole number. So 5. Remainder will come in the numerator 3 and divisor will come in the denominator 5. So it will be 5 and 3 by 5. Similarly 35 by 9. 35 is divided by 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay, 9 4s are 36. So it is greater. You cannot take 4. So remainder is 8. Quotient is 3. Okay, so it will be 3 and 8 by 9. And one thing I will tell you, you have to remember just quotient can be written over here and remainder will come here and denominator will remain same. Whatever is given in the question, remainder wahi rahega aapka 9. Okay, so this one. And how you can check, cross check, 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 8 will give you 35. Okay, now the last question of the exercise and the simplest question you can see is this one. You have to express these mixed fractions into improper fractions. I told you you have to go in this order. Okay, this 4 into 7 and then whatever answer you will write, you will get, you have to add 3 to it. Okay, see these arrows just for your explanation. This is multiply. So it will be 4 into 7, put it in a bracket, plus 3 and denominator will remain same. So 4 into 7 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So the answer is 31 upon 4. Similarly 6 into 2 plus 5. So 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So the answer will be 17 upon 6. Okay, and similarly the last part I have done, 9 into 8 will give you 72. 72 plus 4 will give you 76. So 76 upon 9 is the improper fraction of this mixed fraction. Okay, I hope all of you have understood how to convert improper into mixed and mixed into improper. Okay, and how to represent the fraction on a number line. So complete this exercise.